This is a Moen faucet. It drips. Call the Moen phone number. They send you replacement parts. We're going to replace this valve and this valve. Let's concentrate on this first. Shut the water off. In the back, there's a hole for the Allen wrench. Pull the cap off. Unscrew this brass part right here. So give it a pull from the top. Here's the part we're going to replace. Here's the new one. There's a notch right here that matches up with a notch on the new valve. So put the two together. Oops, it's going to be pretty tight. So we'll take the pliers. We're going to give it a little extra oomph and kind of push it down in there. Take the brass ring and we'll tighten it back on. Final tightening with the wrench. Put the cap back on. Tighten it with the Allen wrench. Turn the water back on. And there you go.